Good morning children, this is Sumanata, Master Teacher of Katapia Public School. Today I am going to teach you a new topic, measurement of length. How we measures here? First I will say the measures here. Long years back we measures by the fingers, length, fingers, hand span, cubit and foot, space. These all things you can. What are these? Come on, let's do the activity on this.
Yes, children, this is a finger, children. Finger means the distance from tip of the finger to end of the finger. This we use it to measure for less length objects. This is hand span, children. The distance from tip of the thumb finger to tip of the little finger. It is more length than the finger's length. This is cubit, children. The distance from elbow to tip of the finger. Previously it was used to measure the clothes etc. Nowadays also it is using to measure the garlands lengths like jasmine, kankamralu, like that. Now it is calling as mura. This is foot, children. The distance from heel to tip of the toe, children. It was used to measure the lengths of the edges of the walls. This is space, children. The distance from one heel to another heel while we are walking. It was also used to measure the lengths of the edges of the walls, and generally we call it as a adugu in Telugu.
Yes, children. Now what it is here? Finger, children. Okay. The distance from tip of the finger to bottom of the finger. Okay. This is the finger, children. Okay. How we measure by using the finger? Let's measure the textbook length by the fingers. Come on, here the length, here it is the length. Now here this is the length, children. Let's count by the fingers. Here you see, I am starting here. 1, 2, children, and here to here again 3, means 2.5 we are getting. Okay, the length of this text. Once again let's see here to here 1, 2, and it's half. So we are getting the length of this textbook is 2.5 fingers. 2.5 fingers. Now we measure the length of this desk, children. So by the hand span. This is the hand span, children. Hand span means what? The distance from thumb finger tip to little finger tip. Okay, the distance from thumb finger tip to little finger tip. Come on, let's count by this. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 hand span and 1 finger. Here. 5 hand span. The length of this desk is 5 hand spans and 1 finger. Now children, let's measure the board length by the cubit. Cubit means what, children? This is cubit, children. Okay. So the distance from this elbow to a tip of the finger here. Elbow to tip of the finger. This is cubit, children. Come on, let's count by this. See, the board is starting from here and I am keeping my elbow here. See, from here to here, 1 cubit. Here to here, 2 cubits. 3 cubits. 4 cubits. 5 cubits. 6 cubits. Children, here after 6 cubits some more distance is there to measure, children, and 6 cubits now here. After this is the less distance, lesser than this cubit. Here we take hand span. Already I told you hand span means what, children? The distance from little fingertip to thumb fingertip. Come on, here we are getting 1 hand span, means the length of this board is 6 cubits and 1 hand span. Yes, children, this is the foot, children. Foot nothing but the distance from toe to heel. Come on, let's count the length of this wall with the foot. Wall is starting from here. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and this is the last one, 23, children. So the length of, yes, children, so what is the length of this wall here? This length of this wall is 23 feet. 23 feet. Now let's count this wall distance in pace. Paces. See, pace means what, children? The distance from this elbow, this leg elbow to this leg elbow. In Telugu we can call it as a adugu. Come on, let's count the length of this wall in paces. Okay. Now here, the wall is starting from here now. So, here to here, 1. Here to here, 2. Here to here, 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. So, the length of this wall is 10 paces. Yes, I hope you understood the activity very well. Now, I give the worksheet on that. Come on, have a look at this, children. First one, measure the length of your math textbook by using your finger. Finger, children. So, finger means this is now here. So, by using your finger length, you measure your math textbook length. And measure, second one, measure the length of your study table by using your hand span. Hand span means this is, children, by using this your hand span, you measure the length of your study table. Now, measure the length of your book shelf by using your cubit. Cubit means this is, children, by using the cubit you should measure your bookshelf length, children. And coming to the last one, measure the length of one wall edge. One wall edge means down one, children, which I shown in the activity, same like that. One wall edge of your study room by using your foot and pace. Foot means I showed in the video, children, and pace also, same like that you follow, and you need to send the answers